I got it here, new Microtech from Blade HQ exclusive. This is Ultratech Desert Warrior. So what did they mean by that? Let's open it up. Boom. These things, when they went out for sale, sold within a couple hours. So it looks like a donut, like one of those sprinkles donuts, as you can see. It's kind of like painted on it. This is definitely a collector item. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's actual donut over here with sprinkles and frosting. Check this out, this yellow window breaker. That is so hilarious. I wouldn't carry this every day. There's purple and pink. And blue knife, and looks like a standard blade. This is so cool. So it's more of a collector item to me. This is very, very interesting. And as you can see, each screw looks like a frost in different colors. So purple, white, blue, yellow, green, red. So unique. And when was it made in? 11/20/22, so like less than a month ago. So this is Ultratech. It sells for around $470. I think that's what I paid for it. So resale value probably gonna be a lot higher now. These things are so collectible, they usually go up in price. If it's Combactor Dawn Desert Warrior, they sell them for about $2,100, so $2,100. This is definitely not for everybody, only for those people who like collecting cool, unique knives. But I wouldn't carry it for sure every day. I think it's just going to hold value pretty good though. So let me know in comments below, what do you think about this Microtech Desert Warrior?